Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Telluride EX. This one of course has the V6 and the all-wheel drive for a total price of $41,565. Only options this one has is the towing package and the carpeted floor mats. Other than that, this is how the EX V6 comes. Finished here in gravity gray over black. Really nice spec. I'm a big fan of the Telluride, especially when we can keep them in stock, because these things, I've never seen one this year last more than a week on the lot. They're that popular right now. Of course, this is your key for it. Sunshade. For 41 grand, I mean, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Now, if you ever get to see a Telluride, go ahead and feel the carpets in here. These are almost on the level of like Rolls-Royce and Bentley, just for how soft the carpets are. It's very surprising. What is this, alright, so this one's a 3.8 liter V6. Quite a big V6. You don't really see a lot more V6s more than like 4 liters. Oh wow, the air intake is hidden. It comes up through here into this and then down into the engine. Not bad at all. It's nice and warm under here. And then if you want to change the air filter, you can go ahead and open it up like that. Yeah, pretty cool. It's actually pretty warm, but I love the Telluride up on the hood. It's absolutely awesome. Makes it really distinctive. Folding mirrors, of course. Remote start also. Turn on my heated seat because it's nice and warm out. Yeah, totally. All this stitching up here is authentic stitching. Something that's actually starting to surprise me is a lot of times it's molded plastic and it's not actual stitching. So when it's actual stitching, it shows an attention to detail that a lot of other manufacturers don't really pay attention to. These are leather lined. Seats are leather, of course. Heated steering wheel buttons located right there. Wish I knew about that a little bit sooner. Oh yeah, so for example, on the airbag cover, that's not actual stitching, that's molded plastic. But it's probably for a reason, being that it's an airbag. Needs to deploy at certain speeds and all that fun jazz. Love all the metal accents all throughout. Even if it's not metal, it's a very high quality feeling. Come on, stay on. There we go. The wood trim feels completely real, and it honestly, I think, is real wood. It's to the point where you almost just feels like they put a 2x4 in here. Like, this is the most authentic feeling wood I've felt in a long time. It's because really there's no like typical smooth coating over it. It's just as it was, and I love that. Good size backup camera. But yeah, let's go for a drive. Oh, gotta change the mode. Disable auto start stop. And into sport. As the key falls down. These things are just, oh. These are, or were, Motor Trend's 2020 SUV of the year. And the amount of luxury you get for the price really is absolutely stunning. Only other vehicle I can think of that's as luxurious as this, maybe even not as luxurious as this, is the Tahoe, and that costs sometimes twice what these do. Well, you know what? While we're at it, give them a little bit of a gap. The 3.8, beautiful. Has such a great sound to it. Characteristics of the motor fit the characteristics of the Telluride. And it's just overall exactly what I would want. Sunroof, of course. All the lighting in here is LED, which just adds to the overall luxurious feeling of the Telluride. I've not driven an SUV as good as the Telluride not driven an SUV under 50 grand as good as the Telluride. Actually, I don't even think I have. This is a phenomenal SUV and a luxury bargain. There's a reason why we can't keep them in stock for long, and why there's currently a wait list for people wanting to buy a Telluride. It's that crazy. I've never seen it in my life, except for the C8. It's almost on the level of the C8, for Pete's sake. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.